Hey everybody, Marion the Barbarian here. We got a shave for you today. We got a fun one, going to be a little interesting. I don't know how I'll title it, but let's get down to the soap. We are going to use purely Skinful Barbearic. And they put the ingredients, not the ingredients, but the scent profile on the front. And it's richly ripened blackberries are intertwined with well-aged southern bourbon, cherry tobacco, cedarwood, patchouli, redwood, and oak moss on a base of smoked vanilla, amber, and musk. Really, really, really interesting scent. It's sweet, a little dark. I kind of feel like I get leather, but maybe that's just the cherry tobacco with the whiskey and the sweetness. I don't know. But it's sweet on the darker side. I did not like it when I originally got it. But I opened it up this time to use it. I was like, man, that actually smells pretty good. So we're using it. So go me, right, DK? And I do believe this is their bear tallow. Yes, black bear tallow. I believe there's 3 different types. Tallow, regular beef tallow, bear tallow, and I think they have deer tallow. And we do have the matching splash. It is a non-alcoholic splash. I know people don't like the label game, but it is a decent soap. Splash is pretty nice too, other than the fact it's non-alcoholic. We'll see how this lather works out. I don't think I put enough in the bowl. Or maybe it's because I like over bloomed it. Like I bloomed it for a good while. It just didn't build into a lot of soap. So, we'll see how it goes. We did just get out of the shower, and we are seeing suds of flying. So I'm going to take this, make sure you get it well in there. Soap. So let it sit. Y'all kind of got an idea of what we're doing today, right? So, and we're using a straight razor today. Sorry, I could not stand soap inside my nose. There we go. And we're going to use the Friodur. Has an edge by Sergion on it. And scales were done by Max Sprecher. I do like my Friodur. Nice little thing there. You'll see the reflection of the phone. But I do enjoy this razor. We're going to give it a go today. It's always had a decent edge. I stropped it up really well. So you shouldn't have issues. This is my first open blade shave in weeks. So bear with me. And if we're going to take down some growth like I plan on, it'll be a little difficult. Bloopage going on. And I think this is a 13/16, to be honest. It is a full hollow. Friodur is a stainless steel instead of carbon steel. This is the 7.2. If you get the 4.72, it has like the spine work, filigree, however you want to refer to it. So. Y'all hear the raspiness of it? It's really shaving well, guys. Edge has been on here for a while. All right. It's always a little tuggy with that much growth. At least it is for me. go. Nice. So part of the issue with me is you kind of have to give it a little bit more oomph to get through that longer hair. And then you gotta, see, I did nick myself. So you've gotta, you gotta be careful, if that makes sense. You got to give it that little bit of oomph and lighten as soon as you cut through. This is one of those things where if you got the momentum, like Frank Stromberg talks about, there we go. That's about where I want it. If you get a little momentum before you hit it, I wouldn't have to use that little bit more pressure. But I'm scared, man. I haven't gone under the nose, top of the lip in a while. And as you can see, set that down slowly. And a little bit of alum. Oh, yeah, we're going to have to come back and definitely get that other pass. But we're going to stop a little bit of bleeding as best we can. Sorry, it's going to be a little bit longer today, guys. All right. Let the brush a little, get going in the lather bowl again. And we're only doing 2 passes today, guys. So it's going to be interesting. Like I said, haven't used open blade in a while. It's even been longer since I've used a straight razor. Oh yeah, kind of feels weird. So this is what I used to do in high school. Because I couldn't grow the connector, so I'd shave everything off but the little bit down here I grew. My mother hated it. For those of you that may know, Dobie Gillis was a show back in the day. Black and white, and the guy that played Gilligan was known as Maynard G. Krebs, and he had a goatee like that. He was supposed to be a beatnik. Anytime anybody said work around him, he'd go, work, and then run. You know. Just saying. Show I enjoyed when I was a kid. Being quiet on that neck. I think I did nick myself. Trying to go light there and not nick the neck best I can. It is a sweet scent, but it, like I said, it's on the darker side, but definitely sweet. Definitely sweet. Scent strength's pretty banging on it as well. If the labels were a little nicer, I could probably talk David Gonzalez into using it, because I know he's got an affinity for what do you call it? Oh. You know, we don't do any pulls passes on this channel. We do not. There we go. There we go. Keep saying there we go. There we go. Oh yeah. Very nice. We'll give it a little wipe. Make sure I got the line here and the curve or straightness that I want. Bring it down a little bit more over here. So, see if we can do this. And it'll be the last time I try to do this while on camera, guys, just to keep the video short if I don't like the way it's after this. You know I'm going to screw this all to hell, right? This is where we'll... Plenty of slickness, I just need to be able to see. Okay, that's where I screwed it up. Probably should have done it with clippers first to edge it better. So much hair! I give up. That's it. We're gonna rinse up. Y'all know the drill. We'll be right back. Gonna use plenty of alum. All right, we're back. That's how it's gonna look for now. Maybe go on by the next time I do a video because I can't stand the way it looks. We'll see. I may try to, I don't know. We'll leave it alone for a little while. This is what we're going with. We did alum up. Got tingling through here. Didn't really get any tingling through here, but it was mainly in this area, which was kind of to be expected. Barbaric, matching splash, very blackberry forward. And you can smell the cherry pretty heavily as well. I do like the restrictor in this. Fluid came out easily. Even though it is not an alcohol base, I don't pick up any witch hazel scent, which is a good thing, man, because I'm sensitive to the scent of witch hazel, and I really hate the smell of it. So, there's like a lot of extra on the hand. Feels good. Now, guys, as for the soap, This scent I can't find available, and I don't know what's going on with Purely Skinful. I'll ask DK, but the website appears to be down. So I don't even know if Purely Skinful's still in business. I feel like DK would have said something. Maybe he did in a video, and I'm just that far behind and a bad friend. But, all right. Turn and shave. I do like this brush. I need to steam out the knot and set it a little higher. It is a tuxedo, but I really like the purple, blue, and black kind of pinkish combos going on in there. And then the glittery translucent blue. It's wicked awesome. So guys, thank you for hanging around this long, and I will catch y'all later this week.